everyone, and welcome to today's lecture on psychological counseling techniques and types. Whether you are a future counselor or someone simply interested in human psychology, this session will guide you through essential categories of counseling and effective techniques used in practice. Part 1. Types of counseling. Child counseling. As children grow, they naturally face challenges. Child counseling aims to create a healthy environment to help them manage stress and prevent behavioral or emotional issues. Adolescent counseling. Teenagers often struggle with identity, academic stress, and social relationships. Counseling helps them realize their potential and navigate challenges like family violence, school bullying, and internet addiction. Adult counseling. Adults may face emotional, psychological, or social difficulties. A trained counselor helps them identify and resolve internal conflicts, empowering them to achieve personal growth. Couple counseling. From married to dating couples, counseling improves communication, resolves conflict, and strengthens the relationship. Family counseling. When conflicts arise within families, this form of counseling helps restore trust, love, and understanding among members. Elderly counseling. As people age, they may face loneliness, health issues, or financial stress. Elder counseling ensures they maintain emotional well-being in later life. Part 2. Counseling techniques. Clarification helps clients recognize the root of emotional confusion. Self-disclosure. The counselor shares appropriate personal experiences to build rapport. Feedback enables clients to learn how others perceive them. Reflection identifies the hidden emotions behind a client's words. Confrontation points out contradictions to enhance self-understanding. Summarization reviews key points to clarify and refocus the session. Interpretation gives clients new ways to understand their experiences. Linking connects different behaviors or experiences to find deeper meaning. Participation guidance encourages clients to actively engage in their healing. Encouragement offers verbal and nonverbal support to boost client confidence. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to access the materials used in this lecture, please click the link below. See you in the next session, where we'll dive deeper into how to apply these techniques in real-life counseling scenarios.